one, we are going to do a cute hair ponytail. Let's get started.
So the first thing I'm gonna do is I've had her flip her hair over, and I'll just put a little bit of water in it to make it smooth, and I'm just going to do a Dutch braid from over here, and I'm going to end it up here on the side of her head. So I just pulled in the last stitches, and I've pulled these in just like about an inch in front of her ear on both sides. So this way I can make sure I'm getting the ponytail in the right spot. And so I'm just going to fasten off this braid. All right, now I'm just going to pull it up into the side ponytail. And the line, I'm just going to line it up with the front of her ear and then the edge of her eyebrow. Now I'm just going to take a chunk of hair from underneath of the ponytail, and then I'm just going to wrap it around to cover the elastic. And now we're just going to go curl the ponytail, and then we'll be done. And now that her ponytail is curled, this is our Dutch braid side pony.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe here and watch these videos. Bye!